Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. In today's session, we are covering accounts receivable part in which we are going to see how to create customer master in SAP and how to create and post invoice in SAP. So let's start. Go to the screen. So this is the SAP Easy Access screen. Type here BP, enter. See, first of all, what is business partner? Business partner can means it can be a person, an organization, or group. So I'm clicking on organization because I want to create data for company. Okay. Okay. So first of all, we are creating. This is a BP role. BP role. First of all, we are creating a business partner. Later on, we extend this role to customers. See, there are many roles you can extend to. Okay, like vendor, customers. So we will first of all creating by using business partner, and business partner will keep it leave we leave this field. It will get fetch automatically. Okay, it will fetch details automatically. Now select your accounts group from here. This is my customer group. Then select company name, say XY Limited. Give search term here. I'm giving same name. Then give address, say 1234 postal code. Country India. Then language English EN. Okay, now after doing this, just save this data. Now, okay, business partner, this is 121 created. Then go to business partner tab, then display change. Now we extend the role of business partner to customer group. Okay, so select the group FI customer 0015. It will give the option of company code. Okay, then okay, in the next session, in the next screen, I'm creating GL account because we have to give the reconciliation account here, FS00. Then here accounts receivable. I'm just copying one entry. Copy 1266. Enter. Sorry. XY Limited. Paste. Okay, this is balance sheet item and account receivable. XY Limited. This is used for consolidation purpose. I'm not giving anything here. Later on, this is my currency, that is INR. Yeah, one more important thing, reconciliation accounts for account type customers. Okay, see, it is mandatory to give a recon account here. Okay, so that this number we have to this real account number we have to give into the business master, business partner. Okay, after this, just save it. save this. Mm, okay. See, reconciliation account 1266, right? Hmm. Here we have to give 1266 and then save. Okay, sorry. Here we have to click on company code, then create company code N102 and click on customer. Okay, BP and customer. Now click on adopt 1266 and save. No problem. We'll go back and come again. No issue. Yes. BP. Display change. Okay. So save it. Changes have been saved. So BP has been created. Now the next step is to create the invoices. So this is SAP Easy Access screen. This is also called user screen. So end user will create entries from here. Go to accounting, then financial accounting, then accounts receivable, then document entry, FB70 invoice. See, you can create invoice by two methods. FB70, which is enjoy transaction, one screen transaction, whereas F-22, that is raw transaction. Okay, so I'm creating invoice by using FB70. Select customer from here. Enter. XY Limited. Invoice date. I'm giving today's date. Give anything to reference in reference number. 123. Amount. 11,000. Just a second. Okay, you can change the currency from here also. You can also give USD. I'm keeping this INR only. Now GL account, receipts. So this is debit header portion, which is our customer is going to be debit here, and here we are crediting the receipts. So what would be the journal entry for sales entry? That is customer account debit to receipt sales, whatever. Okay. So 11,000. Okay. Now this is payment type, baseline date. So what is baseline date? Baseline date is a date on which payment terms are applied to calculate effective due date. Okay. And give payment terms here. Payable immediately, due date. Okay. So this is related to discount, cash discount and all. Okay. Payment block. Okay. So this should be free for payment, because I don't want to block such customer. Okay. After this, see one more thing. Here also you can park this entry, or you can hold this entry. Okay. Like GL account only. So after this, simulate this. Okay. Terms of payment changed. No problem. Simulate. See, posting key for debit for customer is XY01, whereas receipt sale entry is posting key for sale or receipt is credit. Posting key for credit is 50. Okay, 11,000. Now post this. Post it. Okay, you can also create. See, this is also invoice creation method only. This is another method. Please try by yourself. Then this is credit memo. I'm showing you credit memo. Suppose I want to create credit memo for 1,000 rupees. Okay. Then okay, see, in credit memo, what happened? I'm in the last entry while posting the sales. We have credited the receipt. Now receipt has been, now in the credit memo, receipt will get reversed. That is debit by rupees 1,000. Just a second, system is getting some problem. System is having some problem. 1000. Okay. Rest of the things remain same. Just try to simulate this. See, entry get reversed. 40 is for debit, 11 is for credit. So receipt account debit and customer account will get credited. Okay. Now post this. Okay. Now to check such entries, go to FBL 5N. Enter. Select the customer from here. Enter. XY Limited. Execute. See, DR is for customer invoice, whereas DG is for credit memo of customer invoice. So see, this is it showing in the red status because this is open item. We have not made the payment. Okay, so 11,000 and 1,000 today's date in today's date. Okay, so payment for customer is same as account. Whatever payment we have did in accounts payable. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you for watching.